I used to work as a retail customer service manager in Woolworths, and I've been working there since 13 years. But as for like my studies, I have done a master's in computer science. So after my 13 years of gap with my masters, I was planning to pursue my dream as a test analyst. So that's why I've contacted Industry Connect. The Industry Connect, they helped me a lot. First, when I contacted Marcia in Melbourne office, actually I have joined to learn only like do my manual testing course, but they have guided me a lot uh, throughout throughout my journey with the Industry Connect. To like learn new tools and get ready what they are using in the market right now. So first I was like a little bit nervous and a little bit upset that I was not able to cope up with the new tools and everything, but they have helped me in every aspect, like especially team. We were sharing the thought, we were sharing our thoughts, and everyone was so helpful. Even the um, first I was like nervous, but then I they helped me a lot with the question hub, and where we can ask our doubts, and we can and we were not, I was not even sure how to proceed and how to learn new tools. But every time I face some issue, I used to post it in question hub. That way I used to get help, and I used to contact everyone, like you, as my team lead. And I got a like they helped me a lot. From my side, I always like what I face is in initial stages I used to face a lot of problems. I understand, like, because we learn new tools and we get a lot of doubts and we lose confidence. And we first, like, in initial stage I used to feel like, oh, maybe I took wrong step joining here. But as when we join the internship, and first thing we need to do is like keep like confidence what you're doing, even if you face a lot of problems, or even if you're not able to complete the task. We need to give some time, learn, follow up like what they're saying, and we have to learn by ourselves. And we particularly we have to spend a lot of time, like minimum 20 hours a week. After learning a new tools, then only you will be able to complete your task. If you don't spend time, or if you don't do research, you won't understand anything. You have to prepare all the documents. And I especially myself working full time, I never used to get time. But when after coming from work, I used to sit and learn that new tool, and understand what the task is about. And I used to get help from my teammates. We used to discuss a lot what we have to do, how we have to do. Then only I was able to complete my task. So I always tell the newcomers, spend time and do some research, how you going to complete the task, and what exactly the task is about, and what they want us to do. So then only you will understand. If without spending time, without doing any research, you won't be able to complete your task, and you won't get any knowledge. Simply by listening, attending the classes, or simply by copying from others, you won't get it. You have to research it, and you have to complete the task. Yes, definitely. They give a lot of guidance to achieve and they encourage us in every time, in every point. Throughout my journey, I got like a lot of encouragement, and we meet new people. Even the framework they are providing us is very good. Before joining Industry Connect, I was not at all having any knowledge about these tools or a framework, nothing. But I've learned a lot what is actual automation testing is, because I was from manual. I was just thinking like I will be doing only manual testing, but now I got a good knowledge on different tools. And they will guide you with all the tools what they are using in the market right now, and you'll by completing their task or whatever they're doing, they will you'll get a lot of confidence at the end of your internship or special from my side. I got a lot of confidence. I got a lot of knowledge as well. What exactly testing tools they are using in market right now? What kind of frameworks they are using? Everything. I got a lot of knowledge. So I'll definitely recommend everyone Industry Connect. For initial stages, you will feel. I felt very stressed out. I lost my confidence as well because everything was new. But if you handle that stress and if you plan everything and if you follow their Industry Connect guidelines, you will definitely get what you're looking for. That's what I feel like. I got what I was looking for, and I got the confidence. And local, especially everyone is local experience. They provide like very good experience, like, not just giving you the fake experience. You will learn as well in here.